Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in this video we'll discuss a very good question of August Leetcode challenge, which is got Latin. Now in this question, this is a very simple question, but it is a bit interesting. Why? Because I've used a new thing in this solution. That's why I found it to be somewhat interesting. Now basically question is very simple. We have given a sentence and we have to convert it into got Latin. Now what this language is similar to pit Latin. Now what we have to do, we have given a sentence. Now we have to check that if the first letter or the first first digit of the word is vowel, then we have to add ma at the end. If it is a consonant, then we have to remove that consonant, and then at the end we have to add ma. Now this is the thing when vowel come or consonant come. Now whenever any number comes, means whenever any word comes, not a number, any word comes, then at the end we have to add a. Now this a will be corresponding to its position. In this case, suppose at first index we have to add 1. Sorry, not at first index, at first word we have to add a single a. At second word we have to add 2a. At third word we have to add 3a. At fourth word we have to add 4a. So like this we have to add the a's. So this is a very simple thing. What we have to do, we have to first of all, if the value is vowel or consonant, if it is if it is vowel, then we have to add ma, otherwise we have to remove the first element and add ma, and at the end we have to add a's according to its word position. Now let's see that how we will solve this question, because this question is damn easy, so that's why we will directly see our code only. So in this is the very simple code. First of all, here I have checked that the number is vowel or not. So first of all, I have taken the value here, I have converted it to lowercase, because in the question it is given that word can be of uppercase and lowercase both. That's why I have converted it into first lowercase and then I have compared. If you do not want to do it, you can make 5 more conditions here with capital A, capital B, capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O and capital U. That will be also very fine. Now if this condition is true, then it will return true, else return false. Now let's see that what I have done in the main code. So first of all, this is our main code in which string will be having our string. Now this string is the main thing. Now what this does, this just separates our strings with the spaces, and at the end it attach one end of, which will point the end of value, that the last value is end of. Now what we are doing, we are initializing some value temp, which will be storing temporary values, the successor which will store initially maa. Now you must focus that after every word we are just adding ma, and with that we have to add some a's. So that's why I have used this a. So initially I have to add 1a, that's why I have used this only, and in the answer I will store the final answer. Now I have iterated over all the words which consist in this ss. Now whenever we will get an end of, then it will be false. Now from ss I have taken the values in the temp. Now a word is there in the temp. After that, this ss value will be stored in the temp. Now easily with the help of temp's 0 index we can check that it is vowel or not. If it is vowel, then we have to do something, else we have to do something. Now in this case it is not a vowel, because I have used this not, so that if it is not, then we have to do something. Now if it is not, then I will first find out its position, and then I will erase its position. So I have erased the beginning, and I have pushed back the values of TP at the end. Now in the question you must focus one thing, that this S value is erased from the starting and pushed back at the end. So this thing also we have to do. So in this we have done it easily with the help of TP. I have pushed back it. Now one thing which is common in both consonant and vowel is that we have to add ma in the both things. So I have added the successor in the temp. Now in the successor we have initially ma. Now for the next time we required one more a, so that's why I have handled that thing here only. And at the end I have inserted answer value in the temp, the temp's value into the answer, so that our answer will be there, and I have separated it with the space so that I'll get a space. Now we does not require to do anything other than this two statements to iterate over all the words. If you want to do it without using this, you have to do some more stuffs, like we have to check the spaces. If space occurred, then we have to check that the value is vowel or consonant, and at that value we have to add ma or maa, whatever the value is, we have to add that. So that will be a bit harder. That's why I have not made, or I have not considered that thing. I have used this simple syntax, and then it will be easily fulfilled. Now after this I have returned the answer dot substring, which will be substring 0 minus 1. Why minus 1 I am doing? Because at last some index it might occur some errors. That's why I have taken ma from 0 to last minus 1, because at the last end of file will be there. That's why I have erased that thing, and at the end I have returned the answer. So it's a very simple solution. If I submit it, so I have submitted it and I got correct answer. Now this is all for this question. So for more such solutions, subscribe my channel, like the videos, share the videos, and please comment down if you got any error or anything in this question, or if you do not got anything in this question. So thank you guys.